Good afternoon to all of you. I'm Torun Halar from Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Centenary College, and today I'll present a part of my research work, specifically alternative protocol for the extraction and estimation of endographolite for selections of elite chemotype of Kalmeg, that is Endographis paniculata. Endographis paniculata, known as king of bitter or Kalmeg, it is annual and branched, erect, and some are running half to 1 meter in height. It is native to peninsular in India, Sri Lanka, as well as distributed in Southeast Asia, China, America, West Indies, etc. Over the past 50 years, interest in medicinal plant has grown enormously from the use of ethnomedicine, herbal products as natural cosmetics, and for self-medications by the general public to the scientific investigations of the plants for their biological effect in human beings. Beyond this pharmaceutical approaches to plants, and there is wide tendency to utilize herbal products to supplement the diet, mainly with the intention of improving the quality of life and preventing the disease of elderly people. India has been identified as a major resourceful area in the traditional and alternative medicinal plant globally. Endographis paniculata extract is a kind of powder extracted from this plant, and the major active compound of this plant is endographolite. And Endographis paniculata extract has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity as well as anti-COVID-19 activities. And these are common commercial pharma product and which is available in the market. And all demanding market of this plant is that, according to World Health Organization, the goal is the health for all, and health for all cannot be achieved without herbal medicines. Indian export herbal materials throughout the world nearly 100 crores ton per year annually within 960 plant species, and among of 960 species, Endographis is one of the important medicinal plants and which is export from India annually 50,000 tons per year. Among the various medicinal plants, and there is a great demand of Kalmex in the country as well as in abroad. In Indian National Medicinal Plant Board has proposed 32 prioritized plant list, and Endographis paniculata is one of them. And this is the purpose of the study, that is the global position-wise collections of the plant, and applied the best extraction method for the active compound endographolite, and qualitative as well as quantitative estimations of the endographolite from the extract samples, and which is collected from the different places in West Bengal, and determination of the antioxidant activities for the extract sample. And on the basis of endographolite content as well as the antioxidant activity, and we have choose an elite selections, and after the elite clones, and which is cultivated in our medicinal plant garden. Collections of the Endographis paniculata from different regions in West Bengal. This is the table I have shared, and this is the best solvent selection methods. I have used approximate 8 different solvent systems, and among of the 8 different solvent system, and I got the best result from the methanolic extract with Soxhlet extraction as well as sonicator extractions. And between the two extraction method, sonicator extraction method gives the best result than the Soxhlet extraction method. This is the endographolite percentage from our one selected samples, and here ethanol we get 3.21% of endographolite, and methanol extract 3.41% of endographolite. So this is the different solvent activity to extract of the active compounds, and where the methanol is the best solvent for the preparations of the extract from this plant sample. These are the process where the collection of the plant material, and after drying and grindings of these plant materials, and different extractions method have been applied, that is the Soxhlet extraction and sonicator extractions, and after evaporated it, and then we have qualitative and quantitative analysis through HPLC as well as HPLC analysis. These are the standard curve as well as the sample sample extract chromatogram from the HPLC analysis as well as HPTLC analysis, and we perform the spectrum as well as 3D structures, etc. is there. And this is the percentage of endographylite from the different chemotypes. And actually, I have collected 25 different chemotypes from the different places in the West Bengal, and number 21, Endographis paniculata code 21, gave the best results of the endographylite, as well as the antioxidant activity I performed through DPPH methods, where the IC1 by ICP values is more found from the AP21 chemotypes. These are the dendrogram of the collected samples, and on the basis of the dendrogram, I have selected an elite chemotype, that is AP21, and which is collected in our medicinal plant gardens. And important of the study for commercial cultivations of this elite chemotype is having such medicinal value and broad geographical distribution of these plants throughout the country. And this is the indiscriminate collection from the wild source without paying any attention towards the conservation and domestications in regular agriculture has caused a sharp decline in the availability of the drug to the industries and escalations of its prices, and therefore the heavy demands of the phytochemical, specifically diterpene lactones like endographylites in India, as well as the international market, has motivated Indian farmers to take up commercial cultivations of the Kalmeg. And after the collections, and I also study for in situ conservation as well as germplasm conservation under in vitro conditions. And this is my conclusions, or the 25 different collected samples from the different geographical region in West Bengal to collect to investigation their active compounds. And this study established significant chemotypic variations of the endographis content within the collected sample, and therefore the best extraction techniques and determinations of the active compounds from the collected plants is the best way to select an elite chemotype for the commercial propagations and productions of the more endographylites. And acknowledgement for this study, I acknowledge to Department of Biotechnology, Government of India for financial assistance, and also acknowledge to our Principal Maharaj, Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Centenary College, and acknowledge to our lab member. Thank you. Thank you to all of you.